Hi, I'm Dr. Sivrani Santosh. I'm a pediatrician. In my earlier videos, I've told you all about how to prevent dengue outdoors, protection from dengue mosquitoes outdoors. In an earlier video, I had already told you about how to prevent dengue related complications and death. In this video, I'll tell about how to protect ourselves from mosquitoes indoors. So please watch the video from the beginning to end and make a good plan for your family about indoor protection from mosquitoes. First and foremost, always it's very important to focus on physical barriers like mosquito nets, and you also get medicated nets for using at the windows, doors, etc. So you can plan for such a kind of arrangement, nets, medicated nets or mesh. And second thing second thing is you can use your electric bats to kill the mosquitoes to some extent. And very importantly, avoid using soaps, scents, etc. with fruity and floral odors, and minimize the use of these candles, agarbattis, etc. with fruity and floral odors. These also can attract mosquitoes. And coming to coils, mosquito coils, remember that there is always a risk of fire accidents, and also when you breathe in those vapors, it can cause lot of allergy related issues, especially with regard to lungs and eyes. So keep this in mind when you think of using mosquito coils. Similarly, when you think of using plugins, please remember that these also have chemicals in them which repel mosquitoes, kill mosquitoes. So, but these also can cause breathing related issues, especially for young children, and even burning of eyes, etc., allergies. So, when you use them, please make sure the child is not in the room. You can switch on the plug-in maybe for an hour or so, close all the doors and windows and switch it off, and then wait for an hour or so. Keep the doors open so that the smell, everything goes out, then only take the child inside. This is one thing. Please avoid using eucalyptus oil, citronella, and any mosquito repellent on the baby's body or inside the room, especially when baby is there in that room. There is high risk of allergies with these things. And many of you use insecticides like insect killing liquids like Baygon, Hit, etc. So when you're using them, also make sure the children are not around, and whoever is using them, please you wear a mask, wear goggles, and spray them in the house. Only after the smell goes away and the area dries up, you can get the child inside. And please make sure these are not sprayed onto the food or liquids, water, etc. So be very careful when you use these things. These chemicals, if they go into our body, can cause dangerous problems like high blood pressure, high fever, disorientation, coma, and fits. So you have to be very, very judicious in their usage. One more important point you have to remember here is that dengue mosquitoes come inside your house mostly for around 2 hours after sunrise, and mostly from 2 hours, starting from 2 hours before the sunset. So this is the time I recommend you to keep your doors and windows closed. So I think and also remember, these chemicals can even enter your body through the skin also. So keeping all these factors in mind, make a good plan about indoor protection from mosquitoes for your family. Thank you.